Welcome to our video on Exness trading strategies for beginners in 2025. Today, we'll explore how Exness can set you on the path to successful trading. Before diving into strategies, it's essential to grasp some key terms and concepts. Let's break down the basics. There are several trading strategies suited for beginners. We'll introduce you to some popular ones to get you started. Technical analysis is a crucial part of trading. Let's explore the various indicators and tools available on Exness. Staying informed about market news is vital. We'll discuss how fundamental analysis can enhance your trading decisions. Risk management is key to safeguarding your investments. We'll cover essential techniques that every trader should know. Setting realistic trading goals helps you move in the right direction. Let's talk about how to develop a personal strategy. Creating a demo account allows you to practice trading strategies risk-free. We'll guide you through the setup. Building a routine is essential for success. Here are some time management tips to enhance your trading experience. In conclusion, you've learned the fundamentals to get started on Exness. Now it's time to take your first steps into the trading world.